What is GPT? GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced machine learning model developed by OpenAI. It uses neural networks to generate human-like text and has applications in natural language processing, NLP, chatbots, and content creation. GPT-1. Laying the foundation. The birth of GPT. GPT-1, the first version of the model, was released in 2018, marking a significant milestone in natural language processing. Early successes. Despite its limitations, GPT-1 demonstrated impressive capabilities in generating coherent and contextually relevant text. Expanding possibilities. GPT-1 paved the way for further research and development in the field of generative language models. GPT-3. A giant leap forward. Unprecedented scale. GPT-3, released in 2020, boasts a staggering 175 billion parameters, making it the largest language model ever built. Extraordinary versatility. GPT-3's immense size enables it to perform an array of tasks, from language translation to code generation. Creative output. With GPT-3, the model can generate essays, poems, and even create believable fictional characters. Applications and benefits. Natural language processing. GPT contributes to more advanced NLP applications, improving language understanding and generation. Chatbots and virtual assistants. GPT powers conversational agents, enabling more engaging and human-like interactions. Content generation. From writing blog posts to generating marketing copy, GPT has revolutionized the way content is created. Limitations and concerns. Bias and misinformation. GPT-3 is not immune to biases present in its training data, raising concerns about biased or misleading output. Lack of contextual understanding. While GPT-3 excels at generating text, it still struggles to grasp complex nuances and understand context effectively. Ethical considerations. GPT-3 poses ethical challenges in terms of responsible use, data privacy, and potential misuse. The future of GPT. Further innovations. GPT will continue to evolve, incorporating new techniques and approaches to enhance its performance. Real-world applications. GPT has the potential to transform industries such as customer support, content creation, and data analysis. Conversational AI revolution. GPT-like models are shaping the future of conversational AI, making interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. OpenAI. Driving AI innovation. A global effort. OpenAI is a collaborative international organization focused on advancing the field of artificial intelligence. Commitment to safety and ethics. OpenAI actively promotes responsible AI use, emphasizing transparency, fairness, and unbiased decision-making. A force for positive change. Through cutting-edge research and development, OpenAI aims to shape AI technology for the benefit of all humanity. Join the GPT revolution.